In this video, we're going to replace the cabin air filter in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. It's located behind your glove box. Alright, so we're going to open our glove box. Probably best to take out anything you have in your glove box at this point, because your glove box will be facing downward. There are two thumb screws in here. We're going to take these two thumb screws out. That'll allow our glove box to rotate more forward. But you also want to keep your hand on here. Keep a little pressure upwards. It'll help you get these out. They just rotate right out. And the other reason for keeping your hand on there is there's a piston on this side. You don't want to let that drop and bottom out, prematurely wear it out. With a hook tool, we're just going to pop that piston right off. Now we can let our glove box rotate down. Alright, so here is your cabin air filter cover. There are two lock tabs on each side. They're just held in place. You just squeeze them and pull inward. We'll do that on both sides. And that cover will come off. This is what we were looking at. And here's your cabin air filter. Just grab that and pull straight back. Here's your new cabin air filter. Take note of the arrow. That's the direction the air will flow. Air is going to come out on your feet, arrow will go down. Slide this into place. Just push straight back. Put your cover back on, let's just put it in place. And push those clips in. So we're going to put our glove box back in place. Just going to lift up, take this piston arm and put it right back on this tab. What you'll need to do is just slightly pull it out, line it up with those tabs, and push in. Alright, so now our last couple of steps is to reinstall these thumb screws. You want to lift your glove box up until you are in line with this void back here on both sides. And insert your thumb screws. They're only going to go in one way. So if you pre-line it up, lift your glove box, put that thumb screw in, all you have to do is twist until you hear a lock. Then you can release your glove box. Do the same on the other side. Again, it'll go in one way, line it up, twist it into place. Go ahead and put your stuff back in your glove box. Close it up, you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.